In this video, I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, maybe you've got a Bluetooth device or keyboard or controller that you want to connect. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom and click onto the Windows Start icon. Then what you want to do is open up your settings. If you don't see the settings icon here, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match, just like so. Now, once you've got your settings opened, all you need to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and you're going to see Bluetooth and devices. So what you want to do is give that a click, and if your computer or laptop does have Bluetooth installed, a Bluetooth driver, you're going to see an option to turn on your Bluetooth here. So you can see that I've set mine up already, mine's already turned on, and I've got my Bluetooth keyboard connected. Once you've turned on your Bluetooth to add a device, all you need to do is click onto the Add Device button, and then click onto Bluetooth at the top, and you want to make sure the device that you're trying to connect is in pairing mode, and it should appear in this list, and you can select it and then connect to that device. So that's how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.